Let's see what we've got. Ooh, a Fire 5 card. That is not bad. And now, with this guy at range 3, we can actually do it. We might have been able to do it at range... he's at range 4. Might have been able to do it at range 3 too. Alright, so decisions. Putting some pressure on this group here would not be bad. At range 2, what about shooting from group B to group A? Range 2, 1, 2, 3. And our bar, can't see it there, but the bar is actually a 3 at range 2. So that gives us 6 at range 2. But I want to punish these guys for getting so close. We don't want them to get their win condition, right? So let's shoot at them. So we're at 4. So our firepower is going to be 2, 4, 6, and the bar at 4 is 4. So that's going to give us 10. Whoops, did I move our card? I put it somewhere. Let's undo, bring it back to our hand so I can see it again. Sometimes things get lost on the board, so it's easier just to do that, and then we'll drag it. And we'll have them shoot across at the guys on the hill. Okay? So, fire strength starting is 5. If you're shooting at somebody higher than you, it's -1. So we're at 4. Germans have a chance to play conceal. They are going to. So that's going to make it 3. Now, 3. If you look back through, I think, 99% or maybe all of the fire attacks we've done, I don't know if we've had one at 3. And this is a 3 with concealment played. I mean, so you can see how deadly the fire gets when you get this close. Can you imagine what it's going to be like when they get to 4, where Rel is range 5? I mean, it's going to be pretty intense. So let's see how these guys fare. They are a high morale group, so let's see what happens. So we're at 3 starting. 3, nothing. He is 3, so he's pinned with a 3. Next, 3. Oh my gosh. 3 plus 4 is 7. Whew, close. He's pinned. 3 plus 3 is 6. See how things are turning around here. 3 minus 1 is 2. And he's our squad leader, I believe. Good thing for him he didn't get pinned. Could have been a problem. Okay, and that's it. So, tables have turned a little bit. We put some pretty effective fire on the Germans. And let's discard these cards. Leave the fire card there so that we know we did it. The Americans. I'm thinking of Group A here. They're on the wall. I'd really like them in better terrain, but we don't have any, and dropping smoke on them would make their fire, bring their fire down. So we're just going to leave that be for now. The only reason I would try to do something with them would be to get some cards flowing through the hand. And you know what? Maybe it's worth it. It would protect them from the German fire, but they can shoot at these guys too. Alright, we're just going to draw 1 and pass to the Germans. Discard this fire card. Okay, we're 1 down because we used a conceal card. We have a rally 6. We do not want these guys dying. Play that right away, no hesitation. And we have a fire 3 card. We're going to drop that. We're going to get some fire just to get them to stop shooting at us. They both had about the same firepower at this point. They have less. Let's see, what did the Americans? So I'm trying to decide who to shoot at with the Germans. Okay. Let's get rid of this for a second. This American group at range 2. See, but the fire base, really, we're not worried about the Americans shooting at the fire base so much as we're worried about them shooting at our maneuver group. That's who we want to protect, right? So really, we're looking at relative range 4 for these two American groups to see how powerful they are. So again, at 4, we have 2, 4, 6, and the bar was 4. So that's 10. And at 4, we've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 and 10. So the fire base is a little more powerful. As far as protection goes, the fire base is a -2, the wall is a -1, so the fire base is a little better protected. So the next thing I might take into account there is the morale. The fire base's morale is so low. Let's shoot at the fire base. So maybe not scientific exactly, but sort of you got to go with your intuition. So we're going to start with a fire 3 -2 for the woods. It's going to be a fire 1, and the Americans can play concealment. They will. So we're going to start with a fire 0. Okay, let's resolve. 0, 3, pinned. 0, -3, nothing. 0, -1, nothing. And last one, 0, -1, nothing. So one guy pinned. All right, so it had an effect. Let's discard. And discard this conceal card. Okay. Germans, they can discard. You know, discarding one of these movements might not be a bad idea just to draw up, more fire cards. We'll hold on to one of them, maybe, if we want to consider moving this guy forward. That'd be, yeah, might be worth it if we can put some heavy fire on these other guys. Let's try to get that heavy fire, get some Americans pinned. So we can discard and then draw up 4. Okay, American turn.